Oh hi, is that sideshow.com? Like the telephone version of the website? Yeah, oh great. Hi, I'm just after my Heavy Infantry Mando. I pre-ordered it in I did a video of it a couple of videos ago, and you told me to review something else. I did want to review the Heavy Mando, but you said I was in a queue. Oh, it's been dispatched, has it? Oh great. When did you dispatch that? Literally just a couple of seconds ago. Oh, okay then. Cheers. Bye. Looks like it might be on its way, which is good news. Who's that at me door? Hello? Oh, cheers mate. It's just arrived. TMS010, the Heavy Infantry Mandalorian. I can't even say Heavy Infantry Mandalorian, it comes out all wrong every time. Let's get to it.
TK421, why aren't you at your post?
Because I'm busy buying collectibles, sir.
That's right, I am busy buying collectibles. So, let's have a look at this Heavy Infantry Mando finally. I mean, it was pretty amazing really. They said I got the dispatch notice on Tuesday and it arrived midday today, which is today's filming is Thursday, so less than 48 hours. It's amazing. So let's take a look in the box, in the shipper. There we go, looking pretty sick. So, picture of the figure on the front, big Star Wars logo, the banner around the side, and at the front heavy. Let's have a look inside. Here's the art inlay, looking pretty amazing. And here he is actually in the box. So the accessories tray, we get the usual fists and weapon holding hands and that saluting one. Not quite sure. Oh, this is the blade, isn't it? And then jetpack flame effects. Looking good. This guy is huge. This guy's massive. Look at the size of that. Get the base. Heavy Infantry Mandalorian. Flat with like a sand effect on it. Then we have flight stick and the waist grabber. I don't think I'm going to display him in the flight pose. I saw a brilliant photo on Facebook where it looked a bit suggestive the way they'd done the flight pose. I'll try and dig it out, see if I can find it again. Not to take the mick, but it's just funny. Just quite funny. Here's his jetpack. Some cool details on there. Looking good. And then finally, his rather large weapon. So this is one of the first figures that I've seen go straight to sold out on Sideshow, even before they'd actually got full stock in. It was still on pre-order and then it went to waitlist full. But but it just looks amazing. Presumably it's sold out so fast because they didn't make that many of them. Pre-orders are low, but when you see it in person, it just looks fantastic. So I ordered this direct from, I ordered it from Sideshow because I was going to buy it direct. I bought a lot of the Mandalorian figures last year direct from China, but the price on this was just crazy. It was like £430, I think, without shipping. But with Sideshow pre-order, I managed to pick it up for about £280 all in, which is pretty good value, I think, considering what you get and the size of it. Articulation wise, yeah, it is going to be quite limited, I think, just because of the size of it, the bulkiness of it. I'll just take this bit out here. That's supposed to come out, just protecting. There you go. So yeah, I don't think he'll articulate that well, just because of the size of him, but in the bulkiness and the armour. But I'm just going to be sticking him in a museum pose anyway. I think a figure like this looks great in museum pose, especially with that big massive gun. So, just got the instructions out. I always read these because they include very important information. So I'm going to stick the dagger down this armour by the looks of it. Place the tool in the indicated area of the shin as shown. Be careful when placing the accessory with the sharp edges on the figure, otherwise the costume or small accessory may be damaged. Okay. Don't know whether that's right or what. Looks like it goes further in on that picture. Oh, there you go. So next we need to equip the jetpack. So we have this, and it looks like that goes in there like that. Clicks into place. Detail on this is amazing. Right, so this goes on the back, I guess, with it being the jetpack. Just looking at the this step 3 and 4, I can't tell what's going on with that. Indicated part is put the indicated part outward. Place the blaster strip on figure's shoulder. Hang the blaster on the indicated accessory, then attach it to the what are you on about? Blaster? I'm gonna go away and look at this because I'm gonna break it otherwise. Right, finally think I sussed it. This bit pops out, so you can stick this. I'm being really stupid, I think. Really stupid. I don't know how that goes on there. Does that go over there still? Does it still go over his arm? And then that plugs in there or something. Oh, what the hell? I am being stupid, I know it. And his hand fell off. I might have to look at someone's proper video of how to do that. He stands up well, even without the flight stand. Solid that, look at that. Stick his hand on. Nice. So, should you buy this figure? Well, absolutely yeah. If you're into Mando and Star Wars and Hot Toys, then it's a no-brainer really. I'm probably going to keep him in this pose for a while because it took me ages to stick that rifle blaster thing on his back. Just being thick, I think. And it looks like it'll be a complete nightmare to get him in that pose that you can see on the right, but I might attempt it at some point. Just get used to the figure first, but yeah, it's an amazing figure. One of the best out of the Mandalorian line so far, I think. I'd advise you to try and pick it up if you can. I mean, it's like I say, it's sold out now, but definitely worth picking up if you can get hold of it. So that's just a quick video there about the opening the Mandalorian up. Hope you liked the video. So let me check my notes here. Make sure to smash the like button, subscribe and turn on notifications so that you'll always be alerted to a new video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.